So in terms of preparing for the event, everything's been well aligned, not just where we'll be focusing with the event staff to make sure everything is all coordinated, because we've got a very big stand, because it's a very big investment for us. We've also been making sure that the conversation we've been having, along with the collateral and the material and all the prep communications that are being shared out, is that we're really focusing on what customers need for the event, the things they're interested in, and also making sure that we're solving the problems that they have today and the problems they're going to be facing in the future. The event has been great. Of course, we had the strikes yesterday, but we anticipated, and everyone anticipated, that 30 minutes into the event, everyone was walking everywhere, stands were packed, everyone was here ready to have discussions, and the discussion has been brilliant with clients and partners and new customers as well. The feedback has been everyone wants to kind of level up in terms of what they've got, and also even though that people think that they've solved all the problems they have over the past 1 or 2 years, they're now looking for the next step. Even in a world of cloud services and software as a service that we operate in, that's still a really competitive market. Our aim is to not just, of course, we want to have follow-up discussions with this from this event, but we're having great discussions at this event that kind of solidify some of the discussions and the decisions that they've been trying to make before they leave the event. So we're going to keep that momentum going with all the leads and the data we get from this event, to almost like, let's not meet next week, let's meet tomorrow, let's keep the discussion going, because there's already been a half decision that actually RingCentral is the right solution or the right organization to help them move to the next step. So whether it be any organization from a 10,000 user plus NHS trust, all the way down to one-man bands. We have talked to all of those this week, but we still want to have those discussions because we've got a solution for both of those cases, however simple or complex needs they have on day one or on day X. We've got more events coming this year, we've got events coming next year, and it's, again, we've been trying to alter and improve how we prepare for the events, not just with the event staff, but how we do things internally, to making sure that we're having a consistent conversation, making sure that we're bringing the right people to the events, to make sure that we're having those discussions about, not just about the solutions, but how do we deliver them. Also, we have partners here on our stand as well to help drive those right discussions. So we don't necessarily have to have a follow-up discussion. We have the people here at the event because of the space and because of the facilitation. They're all talking about the right messaging for the right things in the right context for the right customer.